So, hello guys, myself Dr. Bappa Rai. I'm starting a video lecture on the subject basically engineering. Okay, so I have completed PhD. After that, I worked in a university almost nearly 2 years. So this lecture video I'm mainly making for the university students. Okay, I want to specify that one. This is not for the GATE students who are preparing for GATE. This is mainly for university students, university syllabus, common syllabus. You may see this syllabus. Okay, I have not written all the topics here, but in between inside these topics there are a lot of topics, but I will not go too much deeper because this is the purpose of this lecture series is to cover the topics that mainly comes in university exams. Okay, so this is just an introduction. Okay, we'll go to the we'll start from DC. Okay, basic concepts: current division rule, voltage division rule, KVL, KCL, Ohm's law, mesh analysis, node analysis, source transformation, then star delta conversion, superposition. In Newton theorem, we'll only do superposition, Thevenin's, Norton, maximum. Also, we'll try to do the AC part. Okay, we'll do the AC part in Thevenin's, dependent source. Okay. Then we'll do AC representation. Okay, in AC representation mainly we will consider phasor, then in phasor RC, RL, RLC series circuits and parallel circuits. Okay, different type of representation of AC. Then power in AC, three-phase power. Okay, three-phase AC circuit balance. We'll cover mainly the balanced one, not unbalanced. Okay, then in balanced, star and delta. Okay, relation between phase and line current and voltage. Then magnetic circuit. Then we'll go transformer, and at last machine. Machine is my favorite topic. In machine we'll do the back EMF, AC, DC generations, and most in all the topics we have numericals. We'll not do that many numerical. Okay, we'll try to keep, my motive is to make small videos and cover this full basic electrical engineering subject within minimum number of lecture videos. Okay, and this is mainly for I'm doing for the university exams. Okay, not for GATE. So I hope you guys will come and will follow my channel. Okay, let's see. So bye bye for now. We'll come up with the DC, Ohm's law, and these basic concepts of network. Okay, in the upcoming class. So bye, see you in the next lecture.